Have you guys ever faced this moment? You have your exams within the next few days, so you sit to study, but then the weather becomes extremely cool. It starts raining all of a sudden, and it becomes windy, giving you the perfect sleeping environment vibes. But you can't sleep, so you force yourself to sit and study, but then you get bored and you start yawning. But after that big yawn, your eyes will be filled with tears. Do you know why? Actually, every day in our life, our eyes, they need to stay a bit wet. So the glands near our eyes, they release these tears in a very slow rate. But when we yawn, we apply excess pressure on these glands, and this makes them release excess tears, making you look like as though you were crying when you had actually yawned.